The question is, what does the sustainable development means to me? For me, the sustainable development means when you have in equal parts the social, the economic, and the environment. When you have all these three in equal parts, now you can talk that you are having a sustainable development. The Organization of United Nations had established 17 objectives that are necessary to have a sustainable development. Now, I'm going to talk about two of these 17 objectives. The Objective 14, that is the underwater life, and the Objective 15, that is the life of terrestrial ecosystems. Now, talking about the Objective 14, underwater life. The world's oceans, their temperature, their chemical composition, their currents are the engine of global systems that are making the Earth an habitable place for the human beings. The way that we manage this vital resource is fundamental for the humanity to avoid the effects of climate change. Why? To take care about the underwater life is important. The ocean provides us natural resources as food, medicines, biofuels, and other products. Also, the coastal ecosystems help to reduce the damage caused by the storms. Also, these are giving chances to reduce the poverty and giving equality of gender. Because, in the first case, to reduce the poverty, the people that live near coastal area can work in fishing and making money for their families, and in a way try to reduce the situation that they live. And the equality of gender, because the women can work also in fishing. As humans, we need to take care about this ecosystem, because this ecosystem is so important for our lives. It's necessary to have international help to protect this environment. Having all these good things, the problem in the underwater life is that the people don't take care about this. These ecosystems are having a lot of damages for the trash that the humans are throwing into the oceans, and also the animals are receiving this problem in a bad way. As humans, we need to be conscious about this problem. These problems are affecting areas about the animals, the ecosystem, and now you know that also you are affecting part of the human life. If we, as humans, want to protect this environment, we need to have help, international help. Everyone can be part of this. If we wanted to protect our oceans, we need to start with us, taking care about every single thing that we do, knowing that if we trash something in the ocean, we're affecting the life of animals and the life of the ecosystem. Now, talking about the Objective 15, life of terrestrial ecosystem. We can manage this problem combating with the desertification and stopping the land degradation, and also taking care about the animals that live in the terrestrial areas. The forests cover the 31% of the earth. Even if the air that we breathe, the water that we drink, and the food that we eat, that are product of the conservation of the forest. You know that more than 80% of animals live in terrestrial ecosystems, and the degradation of the land are affecting almost 75% of this. These lands where the animals live, and the 22% of the animals are in danger of extinction, and the 8% of these animals are already extinct. The things that we as humans can do to protect this environment is trying to recycle, is trying to reduce the use of the water, the light, is trying to stop the deforestation and the land degradation. If we respect the animals and the plants, maybe with that we can have a good environment to live, an habitable place for everyone. If one person starts to take care about the environment that they live, everything that they do, and take care about all the natural resources that the earth are given to us, maybe with that the world are changing. We're helping the world just with actions. If we do good actions, we're helping the world. Remember that if you wanted to have a sustainable development, you need to have equality. You need to first change your mind and start doing your actions to save the world.